Yeah. They're kind of curled up. Oh.
Oh, I see a hand.
Fingers?
You can see the fingers.
So we've got food expert Nikole here joining us. Thanks so much for being here. Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. It is a rainy Wednesday morning and I'm just actually getting up. I just finished my meditation and I just got to get ready because we have an ultrasound today. This is our like 18 to 20 week ultrasound appointment. Technically we missed our second one, so the last time that we saw the baby on an ultrasound was I think at 8 weeks, which is so crazy because the baby was like so tiny and there was like a little flicker for the heartbeat and you couldn't see much. So I feel like today is gonna be like, whoa, that's a baby. So I just finished my meditation. I do it every single morning. It's been helping keeping me calm throughout this pregnancy, and just self-care has been a really important thing. But I am gonna get up, make a smoothie. I think Matt's having leftover French toast that I made for a campaign yesterday. So he's gonna have that. Usually we both have smoothies, but I'm gonna make just a small one for me. I have to drink 1 liter of water before my ultrasound, which sucks because I have to pee all the time. So, but I know like the fuller your bladder is, the better they can see. So I want them to be able, I want to get a clear image of Baby Acorn. But yeah, I'm gonna make a smoothie. I'll show you guys a little belly bump overview and yeah, it's definitely there. It's growing. All right, let's get up. All right, this belly update. Don't mind my messy bedroom right now. It's definitely there. I am 18 weeks as of today, and it's getting harder and harder. That's sucking in. That's sucking in. That's regular. Let's go fill you up with some green smoothie. Put you guys there. It's a little gloomy today. Good morning, Cashew. Okay, Matt wants some smoothie now, so I'm gonna make a big batch.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Actually, to be honest, Matt's been making the smoothies every morning because I like to sleep in as much as I can, because sleeping has been, it's been a lot better in my second trimester, but I value it a lot, let's just say that. And this is like the best way for me to get my greens and lots of veggies into my day. Flax is like essential. I need all the fiber. Use the rest of this. Okay, Matt's reminding me I have to start drinking water now. Good morning. As you can see, a lot of stuff goes into my smoothie, but it keeps me full, tastes delicious, and it's kind of like my multivitamin. Especially being pregnant, I feel like all the stuff plays a really important role in helping me feel good every day. Water break. Ooh. Pretty good. Oh, so refreshing. Oh yeah. That's a good one. All right, I'm just in the bathroom getting ready. It sounds very echoey in here. So one of the things I do every morning and night is I put an oil on. So I'm gonna do a little belly oil. So I've been wanting to actually make my own oil concoction, I just haven't gotten around to it, but I mix jojoba oil with this gentle baby oil blend. And it has some really soothing, calming oils in it that are also good for your skin. Just take some of that. And I do the sides as well. It's getting big. My boobs are getting big. That's what's getting big. It's crazy. None of my bras fit, just sports bras and bralettes. I just find jojoba oil is one of the best oils for your skin. But yeah, I'm planning on making my own belly oil blend now that it's getting bigger. And at night I do like everything. I do boobs, butt, thighs. But I'm just trying to get into the habit of it, and it just feels really nice too. Gets the digestion going. This is my outfit of the day. Just some black leggings. This shirt is from Zara, and then this little jacket. I forget where I got this. I've had it for years. Where is this from? H&M maybe? I'm not sure. I feel like I am full of water and smoothie. Good morning, Cashew. Good morning. Hi. Hi, honey. Yes, put dog hair all over me before I go. Hi. Hi. Do you have a good sleep? Are you gonna be a big sister? She's like, Mommy, not now. It's too early. Hi, honey. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My hair is also getting extremely long, as well as my nails. Like, that's insane. They're crazy long. Just a random watermelon. That's my life right now. Fruit all the time. Okay, we gotta go. We're running late. It's always exciting when we get to go in the car now. So we're running a little late, but that's fine. And I have to pee, which I think is good. That means my bladder's full. I'm still drinking my smoothie, so I'm just bringing it in the car. And I also have my water. This is like my life every morning, even if I don't have an ultrasound. So basically, since we've done this before during a pandemic, the situation is Matt can't come in, which kind of sucks. So we're gonna FaceTime.
I think I sat in the waiting room, but I don't know if I can do that this time or not.
Yeah, I don't know, because I know tomorrow I have an OBGYN appointment and Matt can't even come in. So I think, I don't know, we'll see. We can walk in and just do what we did last time, and then I'm just gonna FaceTime Matt. So I'm gonna give him the vlog camera so he can get FaceTime, because I can't, they won't let me film in the room. So we'll try to get some behind the scenes of the ultrasound today. But you excited to see the baby? Like, it's gonna be bigger. It's an artichoke right now, 18 weeks. You're gonna be a dad.
18 weeks, bro. 18.
Feels like it. All right, I'm gonna finish my smoothie. All right, I'm gonna go in. I have to pee so bad, so hopefully we see a nice clear image. I'm gonna pass the vlog camera to Matt. I asked him if he's gonna cry.
No.
I didn't.
I'm not much of a crier.
I know, even just saying that, I was like, no, I'm gonna cry either. So I'm probably gonna cry. I didn't cry the first time, but I feel like now is like, it feels more real. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. I just got the go ahead to call FaceTime Nikki, so I guess she's in the appointment. Hello.
Hey, 1 second.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. She just let me pee because I had to poop so bad.
Oh, is it going to be as clear?
Yeah. Okay, she still has to do some stuff. I'm gonna let you see that. Okay. Okay. She said baby's kicking a lot.
Oh.
Moving, turning. Yeah. But it's a good baby, don't worry. It's already trouble.
It's the Portuguese genes that like soccer already.
I was already crying. I was like, I haven't even looked at the screen yet.
Is the jelly cold?
No, it's not too bad. It's okay, I'm hot all the time, so it's like refreshing. Leg is up. Oh, wait, where's it? So where's his leg going up right now? My tummy? Yeah. Oh my god. Look at that. It's like a lying down with the leg up. Oh, come on.
It's got like a formed head now.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at the crossing legs. Oh, he's doing legs up. You can see here's the arm, forearm, and upper arm here. Oh, yeah, it's kind of curled up. Yeah. Heart, stomach, bladder, spine, face.
Yeah.
Profile. Nice profile. Little tummy. Arm. Yeah. They're kind of curled up. Oh.
Oh, I see a hand.
Fingers?
You can see the fingers. Giving a high five.
Yeah. High five. It's like, hi, I'm just in here chilling. It's like a posing, like look at that. Oh, thumbs up. Look at that. Thumbs up. Do you see that, Matt?
Yeah, I can.
Crazy how much like he or she's moving, eh?
Yeah, quite a lot.
The legs. I know, you're like, oh my god, there's a baby in there.
I'm back.
Ah.
That was so cool. I was like crying before I even saw the screen because she's like, stop moving around, stop kicking. She's trying to get photos. I was like, baby's moving.
Baby's moving, yeah.
Oh, wasn't that cool?
Yeah.
She let me snap a bunch of photos of on my phone. Like, the baby's moving.
Moving a lot.
Yeah, did you get teary-eyed at all?
Nope.
No.
I'm like,
I had just tears rolling down onto the bed.
you know, in every relationship,
There's a crier.
there's a crier and there's a non-crier, I think. You need that balance. You need that balance.
Oh, all right, let's get my second breakfast. I'm hungry. No, that was so cool.
It was cool to see the definition. Like I was saying, it's like definitely you can see arms, legs, head.
I know, and I got a photo of the baby doing like the high five thing.
Oh, squirrel.
Oh, squirrel. Oh, no, squirrel. That was a really nice technician. She was so sweet, which makes a big difference. I feel like if they're like really serious and they don't talk to you, I don't know. I don't think I would have had the same experience. No, she was like, come on, baby, come on. And she just like, do you see when she would just wiggle the ultrasound machine like on my tummy so that the baby would start moving?
Oh, I didn't know what.
Yeah, she'd be like, she'd shake it. Come on. That was really, really cool. Cashew, hi, honey. Hi, honey. Did you miss us? Did you miss us?
Look at her butt wiggle. Look at her butt wiggle.
Wow, our first child. Were you a good girl? Yeah. Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. All right, so I treated myself to a little Timmy's breakfast sandwich. To be honest, in my second trimester, and I'll probably talk about this in like my second trimester update video, but I have been actually craving so much like fresh fruit, fresh veggies, like eating really healthy. I think I've been eating healthier than I normally do because when I'm craving a snack, I just have fruit, carrots and hummus, nuts and dried fruit. Unlike before, I'd probably eat more snacky stuff. I don't know, I just feel like I snack on healthier things now, but I also still treat myself because you get pregnant and if you got a craving, you got a craving. So I just got a little breakfast sandwich on a English muffin, just egg, sausage, cheese. So good. It's all about balance. I have the smoothie. See, it's not me that wanted this breakfast sandwich, it was the baby. Having a little coffee situation. So I don't drink coffee even when I'm not pregnant. This is just a herbal coffee I have in here. I have a couple of drops of liquid stevia for sweetness. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. This tastes good. I got the froth. Get that froth on top. Oh, that was a lot. And then for my dessert, I actually made my lemon glazed blueberry muffins from the HealthNut cookbook. I actually still had it open. Thought I would show you. Cookbook, real life. This is on, they're good, eh? $1.90. So good. And this is completely refined sugar free. They're really good. A little sip of my fake coffee latte. Oh, it's good. And do you want to split a muffin, Matt? I just had that breakfast sandwich. I think because I woke up early today for this appointment, I'm like extra hungry this morning, so. And we're gonna go take Cashew for a walk before we finish filming today. They're so good. The icing on top is amazing.
Okay.
Can I help you? What is it? What? You ready? Let's go.
It's okay.
Safety first.
It's okay.
She's so skittish of the spray.
Okay. Shoot. Okay. That's all.
Oh man, poor thing. Traumatized. I got my collapsible water bottle. We just got these on the shop. They're just a little bit more lightweight and I like the loop. It's easy to carry. So nice in here. Is this your favorite place? Cashew's favorite spot. She put her whole head in there. Come on. Whoa. So I totally forgot to end the vlog and today is a new day and I'm in my new office. A little sneak peek. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this room. It's so perfect. I've been working in here all week and feeling so productive. We still have a few more things coming in before we do like the final reveal, but that will be coming hopefully in the next few weeks, so stay tuned. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. This was a really special vlog. I actually just finished filming my second trimester video and it's so cool to think back to when we got to see this anatomy ultrasound and see Baby Acorn kicking and moving around and being very healthy and happy. And we're just so excited to meet Baby in, I was gonna say a few weeks, I wish, in a few months. Well, just about 3 months, I think now. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all of the baby support. I know there's a lot of baby content being pushed out right now, but it's kind of our life right now and I wouldn't change it for anything. So thank you for the support, the love, the messages, the kind words. You guys are so amazing and I've just been reading all your comments and like, it's just been melting my heart. Thank you so much for all the love. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a fabulous day and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.